We are making this creamy mushroom pasta, which is so easy to make and so good. So first you're going to place some water in a saucepan to boil and also add in the salt. Then add in your pasta and let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's al dente. And then strain it and set aside, and you can also run this under some cold water. Then place another pan on low flame and add in the butter and let it melt. Then add in the garlic and saute it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add in the capsicum and the mushrooms. And saute them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add in some salt to taste. And mix it in. Then add in the flour. Give that a mix. And then add in the milk and cook till the milk thickens. Then add in the oregano and mix it in. Finally, add in the pasta and give that a mix and switch off the flame. You can also add some black pepper powder to serve, but this is completely optional and you can skip it. And that's it, your pasta is ready to serve. Enjoy it while it's hot, and it honestly is so delicious. This is such an easy and simple recipe, but it tastes so gourmet. I really do hope you give this a try. Subscribe for more recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever I upload. And I will see you soon. Bye.